Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator in a Toyota Highlander. Before we begin, remember to always prioritize safety. Disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal first. You'll need a few basic tools, including a 13mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Let's get started with the process. Now, let's get to the alternator itself. First, remove the engine cover and any air intake components that might be in your way. This usually involves a few clips and bolts. Next, use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt, then carefully slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Finally, disconnect the two electrical connectors and the main power cable. With the belt off and wires disconnected, it's time to remove the old alternator. There are usually 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding it in place. Remove these. Once unbolted, carefully work the old unit out of the engine bay. Now, take your new alternator, position it correctly, and secure it with those same mounting bolts. Ensure everything is snug and aligned. Almost done. Reconnect the main power cable and the 2 electrical connectors to your new alternator. Then, carefully route and reinstall the serpentine belt onto all the pulleys, ensuring it's seated correctly. Reattach any air intake components and the engine cover you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal and start the engine to confirm the new alternator is charging properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.